हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा IELTS स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 का एक क्यू कार्ड का टॉपिक और इसके साथ मैं जो है इसका आंसर जो है वो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा, जिसको सुनने के बाद आपके पास एक आइडिया होगा कि किस तरह आप जो है स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 को आंसर कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं हमारा क्यू कार्ड क्या है। डिस्क्राइब योर फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल, यू शुड से वेयर इट वाज, व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट इट वाज लाइक, एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू फेल्ट ऑन दैट डे। ये जो नीचे आपको क्वेश्चंस नज़र आ रहे हैं, ये फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस या सजेस्टेड क्वेश्चन जो है, वेयर इट वाज, व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट इट वाज लाइक, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप इनका आंसर करेंगे, मतलब 1 बाय 1 इनका आंसर करेंगे या देन ही आपका क्यू कार्ड जो है कंप्लीट होगा। नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं है। ये बस इसलिए कि आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाए कि आपने कैसे बोलना है, इसके ऊपर आप 1 to 2 मिनट्स टॉक कैसे कर सकते हैं। मेन टॉपिक आपका जो है वो ये है, डिस्क्राइब योर फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल। You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Okay, so मैं इसका जो है आंसर आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ। I have been studied into 2 schools. My primary school was different from my secondary school. I have rough image of my primary school as I was too small that time. So here I would like to talk about my secondary school in which I studied from 6th to 10th class. My school name was Lahore Grammar School. This school was much bigger than my primary school and that have branches as well. I was very nervous on the first day and little bit excited as well. I still remember that I could not sleep that night because of excitement. In addition to this school was out of town and I went to school by a school van. The van's uncle dropped us 5 to 10 minutes walk away from school and I was confused in which building I have to go. Then I went to one building where my age students was going. I just walked into school with other students and went with them where they were going. I asked from one student where is the 6th class. Coincidentally, he was also in 6th class and he took me into his class. That was the beginning of our friendship. His name was Ali and he was a brilliant student of our class. He made me feel comfortable because I was looking so nervous. And at 8 o'clock teacher came into class and she took our attendance. After that she said me to stand up and introduce myself as I was new student in the class. We attended the class till 10 o'clock and then it was our lunch break. Moreover, he showed me all the buildings of schools, the canteen, labs and playing area as well. It was very good day of my life and I can never forget it. I studied for 4 years in that school and learned a lot of things from there. Those 4 years were the most memorable years of my life. Alright, तो ये जो था इसका सजेस्टेड आंसर था। आप इस तरह से जो है वो अपना क्यू कार्ड का आंसर कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास डिस्क्राइब योर फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल आता है, और आप इससे डिफरेंट भी आंसर कर सकते हैं। ये तो बस आपको एक सैम्पल शेयर करने के लिए था और इसलिए था कि आप जो है किस तरह से अपने स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 को जो है वो आंसर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें।